So Tom and I here at Burnley, the Haimer open house after hours. What an event it's been, Tom. But the Haimer Power Clamp Air i4.0, this has been one of your favourites, I know. Well, what do you know about this?
Yeah, what really intrigued me about this machine is how the heat shrinking collets, so for live tool and lathes, and that you can set the height. So as soon as you need it in the machine, the tool's already set.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, like we've all set collets before, haven't we? And it's the advantages of shrink. We're talking about concentricity, improved tool life, improved surface finish, aren't we?
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely.
And obviously the big one, in fact, we can preset off the machine.
Yeah, so as soon as your machine is empty and ready to go, you can put your tool straight in. You're not then trying to use the machine to set the tool because it's already done for you. And then, as you said, with it being in a heat shrink, it's more concentric, so you've got better tool life, better surface finish, and it's also better for your machine.
Yeah, and with the barcode scanning, it's even I could do it. It's idiot proof. So there's a full. You spoke with Mike Dixon, didn't you? So there's a full video on the MTDCNC channels where we're going to review that. But if we move along here, some of these products, obviously Haimer, world renowned. Some of their tool holders here. We've got the BT holders there. Here, in fact, we've got the C6 capsule holder here. We've got HSK Monster. Look at that. And this is an interest. Actually, they section the tool holders so you can demonstrate what they are. So this is the cool flash, which is revolutionary, coolant to the cutting tool. This one here, the Duralock, again, world renowned. This is licensed to a number of companies. Safe lock, I think they describe this as a seat belt for your cutting tool. Yes, heat shrink is very reliable, but why not have that, the lock as well? And as if you move along here, we've got some of their cutting tool offering. But the one I want to talk to you about, Tom, is this. This is another one of your favourites today, the balancing machine. Why should engineers be balancing tools?
Well, it all comes down to your machine, to be honest, because a spindle on a machine, you're looking at 20, 30, 40 grand. When you can run this, and that in your spindle life can increase massively. And also, the same again, your tool life can increase. You can push your tools harder, which is always great because then your cycle times come down.
Yeah, I think it's a bit of everything, isn't it? Like you say, the big one is if you save a spindle, it's paid for itself overnight. But like anywhere between 10-25% tool life, improved surface finish, and productivity is the big one, isn't it? The consumable cost is such a small part of that machining process. We need the parts off quicker. That's where the saving is, isn't it?
Yeah, because they're looking at 10-20% increased speed. Where are you going to find that from anywhere else? You're not. And for a simple machine that can take 5 minutes to set up, you can knock minutes, even hours off a program.